Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am starting work on a brand new project, and I'm excited to share the entire process with all of you. Stay with me from start to finish as we complete each step together. This was an old room, something like a storage space, and today I have completely demolished it to make room for something new. The structure had become outdated, so it was the right time to remove it and start fresh. Now this empty area is ready for a brand new project with better design and stronger construction. Now I will begin by cleaning and leveling the ground with my mini skid steer loader. The first step is to remove all debris, loose soil, and unwanted material from the area. Preparing the surface properly is very important before starting any construction work. A clean and even ground helps create a strong base for the new project. With the help of the mini skid steer loader, this job becomes faster, easier, and more efficient. This ground is filled with a lot of dirt and waste material, so the first step will be a complete cleanup using my mini skid steer loader. I will remove all the unwanted soil, debris, and mess to prepare the area properly for construction. Cleaning the site is very important before any new project begins. After that, I will also start creating a basement underneath this area for extra space and better use of the land. Step by step, this rough ground will turn into a clean and well-planned construction site. My mini skid steer loader is truly an amazing machine that can handle many different types of work. It is powerful, compact, and extremely useful for construction projects of all sizes. With this machine, I can clean land, move heavy materials, level the ground, dig soil, and complete many tasks quickly and efficiently. It saves both time and effort while delivering strong performance. This is the kind of machine that makes difficult jobs much easier. As you can see, this mini skid steer loader is also capable of lifting heavy materials with ease. Despite its compact size, it has impressive power and strength for demanding tasks. I use it to carry loads, move construction materials, and handle weight that would be difficult to manage by hand. It makes the job faster, safer, and more efficient. This machine is a reliable partner for all kinds of heavy work. This mini skid steer loader can also easily dig house foundations up to 3 feet deep. It has the power and control needed for precise excavation work. Tasks that would normally take a lot of time and hard labor can be completed quickly and smoothly with this machine. It helps prepare strong and accurate foundations for construction projects. With the right equipment, even heavy digging becomes easy and efficient. The excavation work is now complete, and the area has been prepared properly. Now the next step is to install pipes in this space according to the project plan. These pipes are an important part of the construction process and must be placed carefully in the correct position. Proper pipe installation ensures better drainage and smooth functionality in the future. Step by step, the project is now moving forward. I have now installed the pipes underground, and the next step is to cover them back with soil. It is important to complete this work now because once the construction starts, installing pipes later becomes much more difficult. Planning these underground connections in advance saves time and avoids future problems. I will carefully fill the area and secure the pipes in place. Proper preparation at this stage makes the entire project smoother and more efficient. This mini skid steer loader is truly an incredible machine, and it can do far more than most people expect. You have already seen some of its power and usefulness, but there is still much more to come. It can handle many different tasks quickly, efficiently, and with great precision. Keep watching, and I'll show you all the amazing jobs I can do with this machine. The real work is just getting started. I will now load these heavy blocks onto my mini skid steer loader to move them across the site efficiently. These blocks are too heavy to handle easily by hand, so using the machine makes the job much faster and safer. I have already prepared the entire area, and now it is time to organize and transport the materials where they are needed. The mini skid steer loader helps save time, reduce effort, and keep the project moving smoothly. This is another example of how useful this machine is on a construction site. This mini skid steer loader is truly an incredible machine, and it can do far more than most people expect. You have already seen some of its power and usefulness, but there is still much more to come. It can handle many different tasks quickly, efficiently, and with great precision. Keep watching, and I'll show you all the amazing jobs I can do with this machine. The real work is just getting started. This ground has now been properly leveled and prepared according to the plan. The area is clean, flat, and ready for the next stage of construction. Now I will begin building a basement in this space to create extra room and better functionality. A strong and well-planned basement adds great value to the project. Step by step, this empty land is turning into something impressive. Friends, in the next part, you will see the remaining work of this project as I continue building step by step. There's still a lot of exciting progress ahead, and many important stages are yet to come. I will keep showing you the full process from start to finish with all the hard work involved. Stay connected and don't miss the next part of this amazing project. See you in the next video.